Embarking on the realm of DIY desserts opens up a world of sweet possibilities, where the kitchen transforms into a canvas for culinary creativity. At its core, crafting sweet treats at home is a celebration of the artistry inherent in baking and dessert making. The journey begins with the selection of ingredients, the building blocks of decadence. Flour, sugar, butter, and eggs form the foundation, but it's the imaginative additions like chocolate, fruits, nuts, and spices that elevate the ordinary into the extraordinary. The mixing bowl becomes a cauldron of alchemy, as measured precision intertwines with the spontaneous swirls of inspiration. Whether creating classic cookies, indulgent cakes, or innovative pastries, the process unfolds with a rhythmic dance of measuring, sifting, and folding, and perhaps a bit of taste testing along the way. The beauty of DIY desserts lies not only in the final product but in the freedom to infuse personal touches. Experimenting with flavors allows for unexpected combinations, a pinch of sea salt on caramel, a dash of chili in chocolate, that awaken the taste buds. Creative presentation, from elegantly piped frosting to whimsical sprinkles and edible flowers, turns each dessert into a visual delight. The act of decorating, whether with meticulous precision or carefree artistry, is an opportunity to express individual style and flair. Exploring various baking techniques further enriches the DIY dessert experience. The crispiness of a perfectly laminated puff pastry, the fluffiness of a sponge cake, or the chewiness of a well-executed macaron shell becomes a testament to the skill and dedication of the home baker. The art of tempering chocolate for glossy coatings, or achieving the perfect consistency in custards and creams, is a journey that intertwines science and creativity, resulting in a symphony of textures and flavors. The realm of DIY desserts is not confined to traditional baked goods, it extends to frozen delights, confections, and even the realm of edible art. Crafting homemade ice cream allows for an array of imaginative flavors, from lavender honey to balsamic strawberry, with the added satisfaction of churning up a frozen masterpiece. Candy making introduces the magic of sugar, transforming it from a simple ingredient into delicate caramels, luscious truffles, or crunchy toffees. The process of molding, shaping, and coating confections brings a tactile joy, turning the kitchen into a candy workshop. Beyond the delight of the process, DIY desserts foster a connection to tradition and heritage. Family recipes passed down through generations, handwritten notes on splattered recipe cards, and the aroma of certain spices evoke memories of celebrations and gatherings. The act of sharing homemade sweets becomes a gesture of love and nostalgia, carrying forward the legacy of time-honored recipes. In conclusion, diving into the world of DIY desserts is an invitation to infuse the home with the aroma of freshly baked delights, the satisfaction of creative expression, and the joy of sharing sweet moments. A step-by-step guide to crafting desserts at home is not just a roadmap for baking, it's an exploration of the senses, a celebration of individuality, and a journey that transforms the kitchen into a sanctuary of culinary artistry. As the oven door opens to reveal a golden pie, a batch of cookies, or an artfully crafted cake, the DIY dessert enthusiast revels in the knowledge that each bite is a taste of the heart and a sweet creation to be savored and shared.